Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we're going to make some updates to the main menu script, and this is going to tie in to the updates we've made to the game manager script and of course our new options script. So with that said, let's come to the main menu script itself, and first thing we're going to change is what it inherits from. So at the minute it inherits from mono behavior. We're going to change that to inherit from the game manager script. Now because it's inheriting from that script, we're going to come down and we're going to delete these three variables for the main menu button width, height and GUI offset. So let's get rid of those variables, and we're doing this because now this script will get the values from the game manager script here. And we're going to begin by coming to the void update, and we're going to create another if block, if open and close brackets, and we're going to reference the options menu dot underscore options active equals true. Now this is going to create a red error here, but do not worry about that. We will be fixing that in the coming video. But as we need to get this code in place in the main menu, I thought we'd just get it in place now, and we'll comment it out until until the options menu script has been filled out further. So in the comments, if option active, and you can put from the options menu script if you like, equals true, and we're just going to put a return line in, so I'll just copy one and paste it in, and we'll just comment out the if block for now. So of course once we get the code in place in the coming video, we can just uncomment this and it will work fine. And we're also going to do a similar thing. We're going to get a little bit of code in place in the GUI. So in void on GUI we'll create a similar if block. So again, open and close bracket, options menu dot underscore temp current position is less than or equal to 0. Sorry, just caught the wrong button there. So again we'll say if underscore temp current position is less than or equal to 0. Sorry, I just noticed a line of comments out, so I'll just correct that. And again we can use a return line, so let's just copy and paste one in. And again we'll just comment this out until it is required. So this is a little bit different to what I've done before. Let me know if you prefer me to do it this way or whether you like it when I move backwards and forwards between the scripts. So with that said, let's continue on. So These if blocks are pretty self-explanatory. If the options are active, we don't want to be able to still affect the main menu GUI. So that's exactly what these two if blocks are dealing with. And there's also a problem with the main menu script that you can build the game, that's fine. But once you've built the game, it won't actually quit. When you try and quit, the main menu will fade out, but it won't actually quit the application properly. So while we're updating this script, we might as well fix that issue. And we're going to begin main menu at idle. I'm going to use another if statement, open and close brackets, inside the brackets. And we're going to use main menu fade value, that should be equals 0, double and quitting game double equals true. And we'll just put that into the comments, equals 0 and quitting game I'll put is equal to true. I'll just put and in capitals. So we'll come to the line below and we're just going to switch the state to main menu fade out. So just copy this line from the line above. Let's paste that in. So we already set this variable to true if we press the button. So now we'll just reference it here. And main menu fade out, so we could put this anywhere. Let's put it here. If open and close brackets, and we'll put main menu fade value is equal to 0 and quitting game equals true. So let's put the comments in, and in fact let's just copy. Should have really copied the whole line, but never mind. It's this line next that's important. We're going to say application dot quit, open and close brackets, close that line off. And we'll put this into the comment, then quit the application. And you can put something in brackets like the game itself. So, just a word of note, this will not work inside Unity itself. It only works when you actually build the project. But of course you can try building your projects and see it's working for yourselves. But for now we're just going to come down to the GUI. So the main menu button height and width, we kept the same naming convention for the game manager. So it's just grabbing the value from here now. Main menu button offset, we're going to use instead of GUI offset. Let's just paste that in. Everywhere within the GUI block where you have the red errors, so there should be 4 in total. And let's save that off. We're going to come actually back to the game manager script, and where we define the values in the update settings, I'm just going to alter these equations. I'm actually going to half what it's divided by. So again, let's just save that off. So the buttons are going to, I think this should be a little bit bigger now. But let's just test this. We'll hit play. And we'll just let it cycle through to the main menu. And as you can see, our buttons are a little bit bigger now, but everything still works the same. And I'll just cycle through just to show you that the main menu still is working the same. And we'll just stop that there. So we'll leave it here for this lesson. And in the next video we'll pick up with the options menu script. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.